y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to install this wig that I got on my head. I got this wig from none other than UNiceHair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So I know I'm doing it a little bit different this time. Usually when I come to y'all, I have my bonnet on. I be looking real crazy on camera, but I decided, you know what? Let me install the wig and then do my intro. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. So y'all let me know which way you like. Do you like when I start with my bonnet and do the intro? Or do you prefer to see me like with the hair and then do the intro? I feel like when I do it like this, you have more of a chance to kind of see the hair outside of like the little intro in the front and then what it looks like when I install it. So I feel like it just gives you more camera time to really see the hair. So that's why I'm doing it like this. But anyways, this is a 24-inch water wave wig. I think the density is 180, but don't quote me. It'll be floating across your screen. But this is their Bye Bye Knots wig, and they call it Bye Bye Knots because they bleach the wig for you. So the knots are already bleached. The knots non-existent. Knots where? Ain't none. So they get rid of the knots for you. They pre-pluck the hairline. You have baby hairs in the wig already. They pre-cut the lace. The inside of the wig looks like this. So as you can see, it is, the lace is already cut. And then the inside of the wig is a dome cap, and it has an adjustable band that has this non-slip grip on it. And then around the inside of the wig is also the non-slip like silicone type thing going on there, so it doesn't slip off of your head. And it also has combs in the back and the sides as well. But yeah, overall this wig is really pretty in the wave pattern. It's called water wave. I don't know if I said that already, but it's a water wave wig, y'all. A water wave wig. And yeah, the curl pattern is super pretty and it's really light and fluffy. Now, how you see the wig on my head here looks a little different than what I'm showing you in the clip because I did spruce it up a little bit, but you're gonna see all of that in the video. But before we get into the video, I just wanna show you what came in the box, honey, because this is the box right here. But with the wig, they sent this really cute curling iron, this wand right here. So if you need to wand your hair or something. Okay, so if you buy one of their Bye Bye Knots wig in 22 or 24 inches, then you will get this curling iron for free. So if you want this, get you one of these. Yeah, so this is just what it looks like on my head. And then inside of the box, you get a couple of other goodies. Unice changed their colors. I don't know if y'all remember, but Unice used to be red and now they are hot pink. And let me tell you, I am living for the hot pink. I got my own pink on. But they give you this really cute hot pink dust bag for your wig, which is so important because you need to be able to store it properly. They give you a little care package here that has a wig cap, and you even get these really cute like hot pink nails. Look at these are so cute. These hot pink press-on nails. And then I think these are stickers. You get like little Unice stickers. That's so cute. And then also the wig band is now hot pink instead of red. And trust me, I love hot pink way more than red. So I'm so glad they made this change. Good idea, Unice. And along with this pink curling iron, which is so freaking cute, but again, this will only come if you get one of their Bye Bye Knots wig in a 22 or 24 inches. So if you want that, definitely get that wig. But anyways, you guys, if you want to see how easy it is to install their Bye Bye Knots wig and you want to see what I did to get it looking like this, then you got to keep on watching. All right, so jumping into this video right away, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide off my bonnet here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to be using my wig cap for this install. I'm using the HG sheer wig cap that comes with the package. So I'm just sliding it on my head like so, and then pushing it back like this. And then I'm just gonna take some of my cream makeup right here from Ruby Kisses. I got this from Amazon. If you just Google like Ruby Kisses or just Amazon, search in Amazon Ruby Kisses cream makeup, it should come up. The color that I have is RDF 15. It has like 2 tones to it and it looks like this. But I like this because it sticks better than powder. I hate using powder on my on my wig caps, and this just makes it look a lot better. So we got that installed. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is, well, I think the adjustable strap, you can adjust it if you need to. The adjustable straps typically come like already at a good size for me personally. So I'm just gonna slide it on my head like this. Oops. And pull it forward. All right, and then there you go. And I like to pull the strap all the way to the back of my head because it's more comfortable. And then I only use the back comb because I don't like to use the combs on the sides because sometimes it can be uncomfortable. And really, I don't even need the combs on the sides. So right away, I like how this fits comfortably like behind my ears like this. And everything feels comfortable on it. And look how easy that was to install. It literally took like 15 seconds. All you gotta do is like throw it on your head and keep it moving. I'm shaking the wig. Of course, it's not going anywhere. Like it's on there. It's not going anywhere. And it looks really cute fresh out the box. Like fresh out the box. Didn't do anything to the hair. I didn't do nothing to the baby hairs. I didn't do nothing to nothing. Only thing I did was put on that wig cap and put on this wig. And it's literally real time. It's been 3 minutes and 40 seconds since I began this clip and we're done. Like, that is what it looks like. And I just want to give you like an up close of the hairline. So this is what the hairline is looking like fresh out of the box. It looks very, very natural. This is their Bye Bye Knots wig. And when they said bye bye to them knots, they really meant it. Like, no one has to deal with knots anymore. So that is what this is looking like. So the next thing I'm going to do is just personalize the wig to my preference, honestly. There really isn't too much to do, like, because again, they did everything for you. Like, they did the baby hairs, they did everything, but I'm just gonna spruce it up just a little bit. That is a personal choice for me. All right, so as you can see, the edges, if I wear my hair like this, the edges are already perfect, but sometimes I like to flip my hair over to the sides, and because my natural hairline comes out pretty far here, I always like to extend the edges on these wigs, the baby hairs, just to make it come down a little bit further to cover more of my natural hairline. And then to swoop my edges, I'm just using some of my Eco Style Gel per usual. And I'm just going to make all of them like blend together pretty much. And then I'm just spraying some free spray on my baby hairs so they will stay. All right, so now I'm just gonna wrap it with my edge band to hold it in place. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is just define the curls a little bit so it doesn't look like I just took it out of the box. So I'm just gonna take my water and a little bit of mousse. I'm using the Fuji Style and Wrap mousse because this gives it a little bit more of like a harder hold, a firmer hold. And I'm just going to drench my hair. Taking my mousse like this and putting it all over the hair. I'm starting at the ends and then I like work my way up. And then I'm just using this brush right here to brush through the waves. This actually helps like define it a little more. And then after I brush through it, I scrunch it to put the waves in. And then you can tell the difference already between like what it looks like here and then what's like looks like here, but I'm gonna let you see what it looks like, of course, when the side is dry. But this is it when it's wet. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. just taking my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just putting it along all of the parting space. So lastly, I'm just taking some concealer like this, and I'm putting it along my part, and I'm just putting it all along my part like this. And then I'm just gonna take some more of my cream makeup here and just put a little bit along my hairline, so like this. And I'm gonna put it up in here, wherever the lace is. I just want to really just blend everything. So again, I really love this wig. Like, I love all Unice's wigs. Like, Unice has really good hair, or Unice. They have really good hair. I really like their wigs, but I really love the Bye Bye Knots wig in particular because they're the easiest to install. When I tell you, this takes no time at all. Bleaching for me, like when it comes to wearing wigs, when you have to put on bleach, it's so time consuming and tedious. Like sometimes you may over bleach it or you may under bleach it. Like the process can be very time consuming and tedious, but Unice really took away that whole process and made it like super easy to do, and just giving you like a close-up of the knots and everything. Yeah, and then the hair itself, of course, is really good. Like, look at this. Like, it's so flat and it's so lightweight, and the curl pattern is really pretty. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that is it. Adios till next time.